Hi, I'm Steve with Lima Charlie Wood Designs. This is a short video to show you how to install a strut into one of the shelves that you have purchased here at Lima Charlie. So you should have a strut, and then it comes with two different clamps. One you use 3 screws, the other you use 2 screws. A Phillips screwdriver will work, and I use a ice pick in order to start the screw holes. I may switch over and use a drill with Phillips on it to make it go quicker. Also, my shot dog here is going to help me and let me know if I make any errors. I'm going to hand the recorder over to my assistant. First thing you want to do is to remove the chains. I already removed one just to speed this up. Simply just use your Phillips screwdriver, take the screw out at the bottom section, and then that will now give you the ability to open it up all the way. You want to turn it over, and you want to install the strut on the side that the magnetic latch is. So the first thing to do is to start with this bracket, and you want to put the bracket all the way to the back and almost all the way, if not all the way, to the side. Just put it in the corner there, and then you start with just putting a nail starter hole in the middle. Take your screwdriver and screw it in. It looks like I'm right on a knot there, so that one's going to be a little bit harder. I'll start with the one in the back. Find your hole, and if you don't put that starter hole in there, it will get difficult because everything will be moving around all over the place. Okay, now I'm going to use the zipper for this next one to make it go faster. There we go. That's in there tight. Okay, so the next one, you need to line it up straight. So just this end, that's not the metal end, will be going into the back. And all you do is just push this on here and it'll stay on. It'll clip on. If you do need to get it off, you can just use a flat screwdriver right there. Pry this up just a little bit and you'll be able to get it off that ball there. So take your other one, your other clamp, just make sure that this is straight, lined up here. Wrong, I was going to attach it. Now you flip it over. There we go. And then line it up and get where you're going to put this clamp. Should be straight and all the way to the front here. Again, use your starter to get the hole in there. Your first hole is the important one. And again, you could be using a screwdriver for this, but I'm going to go faster using this. I'm just going to put 2 of them in here to speed this up, but you want to put all 3 in there. Then simply clamp, clamp. And then this is where you might want to get somebody to help you, because you will have to push this down a little bit, and then you just reinstall your screws where your chains were, and you're done. Now, you might need to make a small adjustment. As you close this, you can see that this height is a little bit higher, so this is a little bit closer than this edge. So you can make an adjustment with the screwdriver, and in order to push that back down again, you would go counterclockwise on this middle screw, and that will bring that back down again to be more straight. If it is really hard to move this, you may have to loosen this screw up in order to loosen this screw up. I'm going to give it a couple more tugs here, and that's a little bit better lined up. I could do a little bit more. And that is how you install the gas strut. Thank you.